An alarming situation unfolds as a woman is reported for waving a knife at two people in a public place. How did this dangerous encounter unfold? What led to the police's quick intervention? Stay tuned to see how officers handled the tense situation.
What's going on, man?
The knife she had pulled out on the black gentleman here. She was threatening him. She claimed she was using herself, and she admitted that this is alcohol she was drinking, so I confiscated this as well.
There's that in there for right now.
Just wanted to keep it. Tell you guys
what's going on.
But she's clearly intoxicated.
Why is she here?
She claims she's here to support a friend. I guess.
Stand with him, just see what they got going on. What's going on?
Said I'm a little bit intoxicated.
Is that funny?
I am a little bit intoxicated.
Yeah,
At this point,
it's
yes.
funny, so.
Yeah, at this point, yes.
So what's going on?
A little bit intoxicated.
What's going on?
Well, I came here because my friend has an issue with her husband and he's passing away.
Mm-hmm.
And then this guy approached me and he gave me his number, the guy with the red sweater.
Okay.
And the black guy came out and started talking like trash about me, like I'm a type stuff. You know, like, what are you talking about? Like, you don't even know me. I don't know you. Why are you talking like this? Like, you're being really disrespectful. He just started throwing out disrespectful type shit. Like, who the is she? Don't even talk to her. Like, da 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 da. And I'm like, who the fuck are you?
The guy in the white shirt or the guy in the red sweatshirt?
The fucking black ass over there.
Okay.
And don't get it twisted. My kids are mixed with black. So it's not a racial thing.
Mm-hmm.
I got black, Mexican, everything in my family. White, whatever.
Okay.
I'm Puerto Rican.
Did that lady chasing you guys?
No tenía habla Spanish.
No, you speak English. No, it's the woman is the problem, it's the video, only attack this knife.
But like why? You just sitting here or?
Nothing, no. Only why my friend is the problem, the medical. We are nothing.
Okay. Thank you.
So I said, these motherfuckers are being disrespectful. I'm about to pull out a knife on these motherfuckers because I feel like they're both standing in front of me.
So they're.
I'm a single ass woman, small as hell. I'm out here by myself because I gave my friend, she said, can you give me a moment to be with my husband by myself? He's basically about to pass away. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like crying, I'm feeling emotional because of my friend. I'm not here for me.
Okay.
There's no reason why I should be here.
Okay.
Other than my friend is losing her husband. He's about to fucking pass away. I didn't have a problem with the guy with the red sweater. When that other came around, he felt some type of way. He started talking shit. I ain't had a light for a cigarette, so I brought out my vape, which is cappuccino. But he was just straight talking shit.
Okay.
They barely speak English. Somebody else speaks Spanish. Only Spanish? Okay.
Yeah.
What else do we have? So she barely explained that they were sitting there. That lady grabbed the knife and started chasing them.
And
That's
who's the
what
third?
I
Like out of
understand.
nowhere?
Yeah, that's. I mean, they like.
Have you spoken to her?
No, literally.
Who's the third part? Who's the caller? Who's the RP?
Security? I think they.
Security guard? Security guard.
Okay, because Cano said it was RPs inside.
Well, yeah, they called on behalf of security who was outside with them.
Okay.
So
I'll go speak to them.
Go talk to them. Yeah.
¿Alguien habla español?
Sí, yo.
Okay. Si yo puedo hablar español y tú inglés, ¿tú puedes hablar inglés o compre en inglés también?
Un poco.
¿Un poco?
So.
Ok, pues dime qué pasó.
Lo que pasó fue lo siguiente, le voy a hablar un poco español. ¿Usted sabe un poco español?
Sí, yo entiendo.
Okay. No, lo que pasó, nosotros estábamos sentados y la señorita tampoco nos estaba haciendo ningún problema. Lo que pasa es que se tomó mucho alcohol. Estaba tomando birra en una botella.
Tiene una cuchillo, tenía así,
Entonces,
tiene
claro,
mal.
entonces como que se volvió loca de tanto y empezó a sacar un cuchillo.
Ok.
Eso fue el
Tiene
problema que
una
sucedió.
amiga, tiene
Y-
saca cuchillo, así.
Ok, so, ¿y ustedes estaban dónde?
No, estábamos sentados en sala de espera.
No,
ahí,
tranquilito.
Ahí.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Ok,
Separate them, because you can't listen to two of them at once.
tiempo.
Okay?
Okay.
So pull him over there and talk to him and then come interview him.
Okay.
All right?
Ven para acá, por favor. Que vamos a hablar contigo primero y después con tu señor.
Sí,
¿Ok?
pero no pasó nada. No,
Ok.
Gracias a Dios no pasó nada.
Sí, sí, claro. Ok. Pues usted estaba sentado ahí esperando, ¿sí?
What exactly
That's
was he
where I
saying?
got offended.
Okay, you got offended.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
what exactly
niggas
what he
talking
saying?
shit about me in front of me, talking about I'm
Okay.
don't tell her shit. Why you even talking to her? Shit like that. Hello, I speak English. Yo hablo español también, perfectly. Hello. Yo hablo español, yo hablo inglés. What the fuck is he talking about? Like, I'm a regular schmegula? I'm just a bitch from around the street, like, kind of shit. Like, no.
Do you have ID on you?
Of course.
Do you
Look at
mind
my
grabbing her
purse.
bag?
You can grab my bag.
Just take it off her and we'll get the ID out. You can put it over there.
Let me just, I'll give it to you.
There's nothing in there. There's no other knives or anything in there, is there?
Ain't nothing in there you gonna get hurt with. What, a charger, a pill bottle, a charger, really? The fuck can you get attacked with? Oh, I might got a vibrator in there.
ID's right there in the front.
That's not ID.
What did you see?
I told him already, but what happened is they called me because they said it was a knife out here acting crazy. I mean, a woman out here acting crazy with a knife in her hand. So I came out and spoke to her. She was threatening a black gentleman there. She had the knife out. So I spoke to her, calmed her down, and then asked her to put her knife away. So
So the guy with the white shirt?
yes, the guy with the white shirt. Yeah, I think the other guy's Hispanic. So and so I told her, well, she couldn't. So I told her, can you close the knife up? So she couldn't do that. So that was my opportunity to get the knife from her without any, issues. And so I closed the knife. I told her I'll hold on to it, because already as they called me, I told them to call law enforcement right away anyway before I even approached. When they mentioned it was a knife involved.
Okay.
And so neither one of these guys were saying anything or did anything. And when I came out, she was just clearly, this is what she's been drinking. Clearly, you was drinking. You're intoxicated. She said, yeah. And she's just drinking this. I said, so I was going to pour it out, but I said, nah, let me hold on to it till you guys come.
When you came out, so
They were right here.
was she saying anything to him, or?
Yeah, she was yelling at him, threatening him, and talking about how whatever, because I don't know what conversation transpired.
Prior to that?
Yeah, prior to that, yeah. So, but she was clearly had the knife out. She was threatening. This guy was trying to keep his distance away from her. He wasn't engaged. Neither one of them was engaging. The other gentleman was over here. And then so I came and talked to her. She was still a little agitated, but still compliant. Compliant. And so I was able to get the knife from her because she couldn't even close the knife. She didn't know how to close it. So, and then I just held on to it because she wanted me. I said, no, I'm going to hold on to it till you leave. And then of course, as I'm talking to her, I already could tell she's been drinking. Yeah, so I asked if you been drinking tonight. She said, yeah. She said, in fact, she got some here, so I grabbed this from her. I was going to throw it out, but I said, nah, let me hold on to it until you guys come. For the evidence, he has the knife. I get the knife.
Okay. Yeah, there's not much we can really do with that, I don't think.
Okay.
But we'll just set it here for now, I guess.
Ok. ¿Y ella dónde estaba ella?
No, yo estaba sentada ahí también, pero después llegó mi amigo, nos fuimos a caminar para allá y ella nos insultaba, nos decía, nos preguntaba por nuestro nombre, nos insultaba, insulto. Y después como que saca un cuchillo y dice que es de Puerto Rico, que es boricua y algo así. Pero fue solamente cuando ella empezó a tomar mucho, porque ella estaba tranquila, de repente empezó a tomar mucho, como que se volvió loca la mente y ahí empezó a sacar un cuchillo y todo. Pero no nos golpeó, no nos hizo nada, sino que sacó un cuchillo como para intimidar, como para decir, mira, yo te voy a clavar un cuchillo o cualquier cosa, algo así.
¿Y ella dijo eso?
Sí,
So ella dijo, me voy a clavar
ella le mostró el cuchillo a él.
a él.
Sí,
Okay. ¿Y a ti?
yo estaba al lado, no, yo me corrí, me corrí para allá.
Ok, so cuando tú viste el cuchillo, tú corriste
Sí.
y él se quedó.
Sí, al lado, sí, él se quedó tranquilo. Pero igual nosotros sabíamos que ella como que era para intimidar nomás. Ella como que, igual nosotros pensamos que podía hacer algo más, pero no, ella igual como para intimidar, como para decir, yo soy Puerto Rico, no sé, algo así.
Ok. ¿Y tú tienes una licencia encima?
Como licencia.
¿Una licencia o una forma de identificación?
Yo tengo solamente mi identificación de mi país, pero es que yo llegué aquí por un amigo, porque un amigo vino medio enfermo, entonces yo estoy esperando un amigo.
Ok.
Entonces tengo mi ID allá en la casa, entonces yo vivo por acá como 10 minutos. Pero eso fue todo lo que pasó, incluso ahora está calmada la mujer, como que se volvió loca, ¿no? Ahora está como tranquila, ya está conversando tranquila y todo.
Ok.
Fue como el momento nomás.
Sí, exacto. So, para que yo entiendo, usted dos estaban sentados y ella también. So, usted estaba juntos.
No.
Y...
No, lo que pasa es que yo estaba sentado primero con ella ahí tranquilo, estábamos sentados en la sala de espera los dos y ella como que empezó a pedir cigarrillos. Eso, porque él no entiende mucho inglés, él no sabe inglés, él sabe poquito español también. Pero ella como que empezó a pedir cigarrillos y como que se volvió loca.
Okay.
Igual estaba tomando hace rato, estaba bebiendo alcohol.
Ok, pero ella estaba sentada ahí antes que tú llegaste.
Antes que yo llegara.
Ok, so ella estaba ahí.
Sí, ella estaba ahí.
Ok, ella estaba ahí, ok. Y estaba hablando,
Sí, estaba hablando,
diciendo...
yo estaba sentado y estaba hablando bien, de repente como que se volvió loca.
Ok, porque estaba tomando.
Sí.
Ok. ¿Tú tienes una forma de identificación como un pasaporte o...?
Sí, yo lo tengo, pero lo tengo allá en la casa.
Ok, pues me voy a coger tu nombre, un número de celular y donde tú vives también, ¿ok? Ok. Escriba tu primer nombre, apellido, si tú tienes un middle name, escribes también tu fecha de nacimiento.
Ok, pero no fue a mí quien como quería atacar, fue a él.
Sí, no, yo sé, pero tú ya viste todo esto, ¿ok?
Sí.
Y yo tengo que ponerte en el reportaje.
Ok.
So, si tú puedes, por favor, escribe su nombre completo, una manera que yo pueda leerlo y tu fecha de nacimiento. Pues, señor, ven acá.
Un minuto.
Ok. Dale. Ok. Escríbelo, por favor.
Yeah.
So, el 15 tu primer nombre es... Ok, dámelo. B. ¿Un O?
No, la E.
¿Un E así?
Sí.
Ok, so...
Sí, vi ella.
Y Torres.
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 Sí.
Ok, esos son Eres.
Claro.
¿Así?
Sí.
Y Sebastián.
Sí, Juan Sebastián.
Ok. ¿Y un número de celular para ti? 6.
6.
Oh, 6.
Sí.
40. 2, 5.
21:59.
50.
Y 9.
Y 9. Sí. Ok, gracias. ¿Y dónde tú vives?
Acá en Stock Island.
¿En Stock Island? Ok.
Sí.
Y dame el address de dónde tú vives en Stock Island.
No sé cómo es el número, pero son las casas rodantes, las casas que están por ahí, como las primeras casas rodantes.
Ok, pero tú no sabes exactamente.
Eso es la calle Maloney, parece.
Ok, pero tú no sabes exactamente.
No sé el número exacto.
Ok, si tú puedes buscar lo en tu celular. O en tu...
Mi celular está dañado, el celular de él, y como yo no sé creol, porque yo solamente hablo español, entonces él habla creol, él es de Haití.
Ok.
Yo soy de Chile, entonces yo no...
Okay. Ok, pues, ¿de Chile?
Sí.
Chile, ok. Me voy a hablar con él. Espera un momento, por favor.
Sí,
¿Ok?
no hay problema, señor.
Okay. Sí, espérate un momento. Ok.
Baby and disrespectful to I'm a single woman sitting right here by myself. The guy with the red sweater starts talking to me. We're having a great conversation.
You gave him your number.
Yeah. The Haitian guy comes out and he ignorant than a motherfucking bitch. Like, why you gotta be like that?
Did you have any other encounters with him before that?
No, I don't even know that nigga. Like, bro, I lived here for 10 years. I live in Stock Island. My address is I live right next to cops. Where the this nigga come from?
Did you talk to him at all tonight?
Never, ever, until he came up to me.
Okay.
When he approached me, that's when I approached him back. I felt like that was my defense.
Against what?
Against him threatening my ass, like talking about, who the is you? Why you talking to her? Like, I'm a regular smuggler. Don't treat me like a regular bitch.
Okay.
Treat me like a lady. I'm sitting down, I'm not with you. I'm not standing up, coming up at you like, ah. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting down. I'm sitting my ass down.
So he came out talking all that stuff?
Yeah.
You took a knife that you had out of your bag?
Eventually.
Okay.
That took a minute though. I didn't take it out right away.
You guys were like arguing back and forth a little bit before that?
Yeah.
Okay. What made you take that out?
When he told me that I was a punk ass.
Okay.
So I said, I'm going to show you what a punk ass feel like. Here we go. What's up? What you got to say now? That's when they decided to call 911. But I'm defending myself at this point.
Security called 911, right?
I don't know who called 911. I told security to call 911. Because I felt threatened.
Okay.
Because there's two men, grown-ass men
Was
that
there
are
anybody else
taller
out
than
here?
me. Matter of fact, a man that's my size and my weight can still take me over.
So, was there
It's
anybody
his
else out here?
strength against me. No, it's just
No?
me.
Okay, that lady wasn't sitting there
No,
while this was going on?
she was not here.
Okay, and the security wasn't out here at that point?
Nobody was here. It was only me. She was not here. That lady's innocent.
Okay, I'm not saying anything about that. I'm just saying if anybody was out here and saw it.
No, that lady was not here. Security was not here. Nobody was here. Me and the guy with the red shirt, we were having a great conversation. He has nothing to do with anything. It's that Haitian that decided to come out and be ignorant. That lady was not here. She was inside.
Okay.
Right, Mama?
All right, stay with her for a second. Let me go talk to these guys.
But it's like, not, you know.
You didn't see?
No.
They didn't say. They weren't saying anything.
No, saying nothing.
Were they stepping back? They were like stepping back.
Yes, they were back. He was stepping back. He was the other guy that's the officer's talking to now. He was sitting over here at the bench, but neither one of them were engaged. I mean, not at the time we came out. Engaged with, especially when she had the knife out. But they were both keeping their distance from.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You get your ID there with you?
My idea, sure.
Yeah. Get your info real quick, just in case we need it.
Sure.
Contact number for you? Contact number for you? I don't know if you.
Oh,
use...
3. That's my mobile number.
All right.
And that whole time when I was coming out here, because I've been seeing them out here, none of these guys were being like aggressive or anything like that. They were pretty much to themselves. But I have been seeing her. She was acting kind of, but she wasn't as bad as she is now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Until we got the call.
I used to work with her at my old job. She used
yeah?
to work the front at my old job. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, she does look something familiar. So I know she got to be familiar.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. Yeah, she's like fixated
Let
on
her
him.
come out and be ignorant. That lady was not here.
Was he already
He was-
checked out? Was he checked out by hospital, like by ER staff or anything? Was he waiting for anything, or do you know?
I don't know. All I know, they were out here waiting, so I never even spoke
Engaged
to them.
with them?
Right, engaged with them. They was quiet the whole time, and but they've been here for a while, so so I'm pretty sure because there's a lot of people here. They're waiting. So
Waiting
I'm
on
pretty sure they're here
family or
waiting to be
something?
seen. Yeah,
Or waiting to be seen?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it.
Then appreciate you guys.
Tomato.
Yeah, it looks like it. What's so bad,
I remember you.
Yeah, I know. What's going on?
It's always something happening with my eyes.
Huh?
I don't know. I might just need to leave Key West.
Yeah. Been getting into the wrong crowd.
Well, my friend's husband is dying, and I'm here to support her.
Okay.
Apparently, this little nasty ass bitch.
You can keep it down. You have to.
Hey, my doctor. Everybody know him. Dr. Covington. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving, Dr. Covington. Because you know you got an appointment tomorrow.
Keep it down. It is still a hospital. There are people not doing too well inside.
No, I get it, because you know what, my friend? Her man is passing away, and I'm here for her support. I'm not here for me. I live right down the street.
Where are you at now? Are you
I live
in Stock Island?
Right there.
Yeah. Are you still with how's was it your dad or was it? I have his Armando. Is he he's not doing too well? No.
They think he's my dad.
Yeah.
That's how bad it is.
Well, who was Armando to you? I know that you guys were. Is he
My
like?
man.
Oh, is he? Oh, I didn't realize that.
Everybody thinks he's my dad or my uncle. I'm like,
I apologize.
but no, this is the thing. We're only 9 years difference.
Yeah.
He just,
He's got a little gray hair.
well, I still drop it like it's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still young.
But he's still-
In my head, I'm 21.
How's Armando doing? He's doing all right.
Um,
He's still doing his fruit and stuff, right?
he's still alive.
Yeah.
Let's just say that.
Okay. He ain't in Publix anymore, or he's still working?
Wait, I know who you are.
Yeah.
You're a policeman.
I was. Not, okay. Is he doing all right?
I remember.
Mm-hmm. What's going on with Armando? He doing?
He was in jail for 4 months.
Really? Well, if I ask why?
¿Por qué él dice filmar?
¿Qué pasó?
¿Por qué él dice amigo filmar?
No, él me dijo que ustedes dos estaban sentados y que la señora estaba...
No, tenía amiga mal, tenía hermano, tenía problema, tenía pasar al hospital. Porque venía acá, tenía amiga, tenía cuchillo, tenía para allá, tenía mal, porque tenía amiga filmar. Él dice filmar. No, no hay pensar bien.
Okay.
Él dice limio la casa, tenía filmar limio teléfono. ¿Por qué?
Okay. I think he was speaking like a mix of Spanish and Creole at the time.
Con él.
Okay, so
Tenía
él tiene que el doctor
él dice
diciendo...
cuchillo, nada. No hay cuchillo, tiene nada. Porque
Ok,
cuchillo tenía,
señor, yo no estoy diciendo que tú tienes un cuchillo encima.
Sí.
Yo solo quiero saber qué pasó. En tus palabras, dime qué pasó.
No, tenía aquí, tenía el hospital, tenía a donde pasa hermanos
Ok,
para el hospital. Él tenía una cuchillo, nada, porque tenía mal. Tenía hablar con él, tenía una cuchillo, tenía
ok.
así.
Tú estabas
Tenía una cuchillo para allá.
tú estabas ahí sentado.
Ya.
Ok, ¿entiendes qué estoy diciendo? ¿Estaba sentado? Ok. Tú estabas sentado ahí y la señora, ¿qué hacía ella?
Señora, no hay problema de él, no hay problema de él. Señora tenía problema, tenía loco, tenía alcohol. teni fumai, yo no teni fumai, no teni alcohol, no teni no cuchilla, porque él dice filma, teni el mío de la casa, no teni normal.
Okay. ¿Y
no teni mal.
qué pasó con el cuchillo?
Amiga, teni, porque cuchillo, teni, hermano teni problema, teni pasar al hospital. Teni, con el de hermano, él dice que pasa de hermano. Teni una amiga, teni no hay problema de él.
Okay.
Teni una cuchillo así, porque.
Okay. ¿Y eso, y ella hizo eso a ti?
Yeah.
¿A ti? Okay. Eso, okay.
You don't have to.
I'm sorry, I got a question. So who are you there visiting?
Melissa,
What's her last name?
her last name,
Yeah. Is she in the ER or is she upstairs in the room?
her man.
Her husband.
husband is?
Yeah.
Her husband.
So what's the name of the guy that's a patient here?
White people name. I don't know.
Alright.
I could
Is she
text her.
is she here too?
Yeah,
What's her full name?
Melissa.
Are they in the ER or is she visiting upstairs? I doubt upstairs because she usually visits.
Hold up, I was here
Yeah.
2 days ago. I don't have corona, by the way.
Anyway,
Thank the Lord.
you can contact her now on your phone?
What you need her for?
Huh?
What do you need Melissa for?
We're trying to find out
Where is
why
my
is she here.
phone?
That's what I'm saying because she's not here to be medically seen. So we're trying to
Yeah.
find the
My phone,
legitimacy.
y'all took my
for being
phone
here.
away from
'Cause
me.
if not.
Wait, y'all,
Well, I mean,
y'all
it-
got my phone.
Oh, I don't
Let's-
have it. I
yeah,
just
well,
took your knife.
Don't worry about it right now. Don't worry about it right now. We'll get to that part.
Well, you took my knife. Can I get my knife back?
I don't have it. I gave it to the officer.
Her number?
No, yours.
Hey,
Yeah.
and I want my knife back.
I gave it to the
That's-
officer.
Well, tell the officer to give it
Well-
back.
We'll get to that. We'll get there. You ain't gotta worry about it.
You know what? I fucking love you.
It's been a while since I've seen you. I know I pulled you over that one night, or I think somebody else was driving, and that car was. We were saying Armando had to do a little work to it.
Do you speak any English?
So, the little so.
Okay. Do you want to press charges?
No understand.
Do you want that woman arrested
Woman?
with the knife?
No, only nosotros, que es difícil para mí explicar.
Okay. Un momento, because I don't really speak any Spanish, so hold on.
Una cuchillo.
Oh, okay. So, unfortunately, he's like pretty hard to understand because he's like speaking in mixed Creole and Spanish.
Teni aquí.
But,
Teni una cuchillo. Teni.
La muchacha.
Sí.
See, okay, so she's saying he had a
Teni
knife. I
discriminación.
said the woman, and he said yes. What he told me, the gentleman I spoke to first, he said that they were both sitting over here, and the woman was actually with them, and she was drinking. And before that, she was calm, and then the woman had.
So she was calm and then she was drinking.
Yes.
Okay.
And then she had pulled a knife, and then started saying, like he said that she was saying like, oh, I'm Puerto Rican, soy Boricua, and in his words, and they like way to intimidate them.
Okay.
And then he ran. He stayed here, and then after that, that's when she gave the knife to the security guard.
Okay.
So-
So what did he say?
He, from what, because it was actually really, really hard to understand him, but from what I could gather from him, he said that she had a knife, because I told him, so you were over there? And he said yes, with the woman,
Okay.
she was over there too. And then I just repeated, so she had a knife, and then he just said yes. So that's the best I could like come
Okay.
out there.
So
Yeah.
Can we get through to him if he wants to press charges?
yeah, we need to find out if they want to press
Yeah.
charges.
Albert. What did you see?
Coming out, what I saw at he was facing me, and she had a back
You
turn.
came
She had-
out of there.
Yeah,
he
came
was
out here.
He was by the white car.
Right. He's trying to keep his distance, and I'm behind her. I'm coming up behind her. She has a knife in her right hand, and she's there threatening him and
How
yada
was
yada
she,
yada.
what was he saying?
Don't fuck with me because I don't care you hate or whatever. It just didn't make sense, you know what I mean? So, and I don't know what transpired before that, but as far as when I was making my rounds, I haven't seen any of these guys doing anything inappropriate or, you know what I'm saying? In fact, I didn't even know if they were together with each other. But I did confirm the guy in the white T-shirt that he's here legitimately with somebody, to visit somebody, and I don't know so much about the other guy, but when I check with ER Mission, he doesn't even know why she's really here.
No, we're not really
and she
sure
claims
why
she
she's here.
claims
Somebody's
she's
in here dying, and her friends.
Well,
she's here to support her friends.
right. So but her friend is the one visiting. That's what she claimed. But that's why I want to know. Because I want to find this because people always lie. I want to find out if this is true, and to confirm this. If not, and if she's here for no other reason, she has to leave. You know what I mean? So that's why I was trying to get her to contact
So I was gonna
a friend, Melissa, on the
tell
phone.
you if you would fill out a witness statement, basically just saying what you saw when you came out. Like she was threatening him. You don't think he was any way in a threatening manner.
In fact, he didn't even say anything. He didn't even say anything.
Where did she have the knife? Just out there?
Yeah, and she had it in her right hand at the time, open. And and so what happened? I came up to speak to her to find out what's going on, and I de-escalated a little bit, talking to her verbally, and so then that's when I asked.
Did you tell her to give you the knife?
Well, I asked her to put it away. So then that's when she relinquished it to me because she couldn't close it. She didn't know how to close it. So then once I had my possession, I told her I'm going to hold on to keep it. But I had you guys call prior to even.
Yeah. I think what's going to happen here is she's going to end up going to jail for disorderly conduct.
Yes.
Because I don't think these guys are wanting to press any kind of charges, but she's clearly out in the parking lot.
Right.
I don't think there's any
And I told her,
reason
and then she's drinking on the public property. So.
All right. Yeah, but I am gonna, if you don't mind filling out a statement, I'll get you one in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teni busca el cuchillo, teni amigo, mía, teni bus, ya, él dice dame cuchillo.
Okay.
Sí, teni cuchillo para allá, el amigo.
Okay. El security guard. Sí. Señor, ¿quieres?
Go ahead. Never mind.
Señor, ¿quieres presar cargos?
¿Cómo dice?
Presar cargos.
¿Qué significa cargos?
Like, do you want to press charges?
Sí.
You don't know?
No entiende my
I don't
Spanish.
think. If we could have a Creole speaker that, because he didn't understand what I said.
Google Translate on your
Do
phone.
that. Yeah, that'll work. Just stay 10-12%.
Absolutely.
I'll go speak to Sam.
Did you get his name?
I do need to
I'll
do
get his
that.
name.
Okay. So, ¿entendiste que yo dijo?
¿Perdón?
¿Entendiste que yo dijo a él?
¿A él?
Sí, a él. Cuando yo estaba hablando con él.
Sí, entendí algo, sí.
Ok. Pues, ¿tú quieres presar cargos?
No,
a ella?
sí, es que no pasó, fue un inconveniente nomás porque yo no puedo generar ahora si hubiese hecho un daño, si yo obviamente genero los cargos porque obviamente hay una persona afectada y hay una lesión. Entonces, no pasó nada, solamente que la señora está tomada, está bebida. Estos casos pasan ocurrentemente en cualquier país del mundo, entonces. No, tampoco la señora no se ve mala persona, pero está tomada, ella está bebida alcohol, entonces.
Pero so tú no quieres hacer eso, hay que firmar.
Nada. No, que llena a la señora, que la lleven para su casa, no sé, para que nos deje tranquilo.
Sí. Pues entonces hay que...
Yo creo que es más racismo, porque es que somos nosotros negritos de piel oscura. Yo creo que es racismo, porque ella dice que es de Puerto Rico y todo.
Sí, y yo también, pero yo no comporta así,
claro,
¿sabes?
Pero tú sabes. Todos pensamos iguales.
So, hay que firmar un papel que dice que tú no puedes presar cargos, ¿ok? So, espérate aquí, por favor.
No, it's still struggling there. It takes time. It's tough down here. Expensive.
No, he went to jail for 4 months because he beat my ass this time last year.
Oof.
And I whooped his ass back, but I didn't report it. And then he whooped me again because he thought it was cool. So then that's when I reported it. And the cops still didn't help me out. They didn't do shit for me. The cops don't defend women until you die. Oh, sheriff police department found so-and-so dead behind the backyard. Well, satisfactory,
But
bitch.
well, I mean, you said he was there for
I
4
worked with
months.
that bitch. I worked with that bitch that was in the satisfactory that got beat the fuck up to death. She didn't get killed. She got beat to death. I was there.
What
That was my bitch.
But you said that Armando, he just did 4 months, so I mean, it was regarding
He's
that.
still harassing me.
Yeah. Oh, so
He's
you guys
all
are.
up in my house.
So you guys are like
I
separated.
gotta
then.
get a warning to get him the f out.
Yeah, you basically normally they'll give you a protection order.
Oh, I got money coming in. I'm gonna give you some. Look at this person without.
No, don't worry about him. He's here for medical stuff.
Yeah. They are chimosos though. These f***ing Cubans, I don't trust none of them. I don't trust Cubans. None. My man is Cuban. You can't even trust the nigga you sleeping with. Cause that nigga will fuck you over. That's how I feel. That's why I don't want nobody. I just want to be free.
I got you.
I want to be single. I don't want no man. I don't care where you come from.
You're not with Publix anymore, right? You left them right a while back.
Nah, that shit.
Yeah.
They want me back. I don't want them back.
I know. It's
No, it's not worth it.
no.
I'd rather be single. I'd rather establish my own business and work for myself.
I got you.
And if you're not following my dreams, you gotta get the fuck out. Like, that's it. Like, you're like beeswax. Like, bro, get the fuck out of my ear. You have no education. You have no fucking morals. You have no fucking sense. The fuck out of my life. He don't get it. He's obsessed. He still follows me to this fucking day. Like, bro, like,
Well, what I was saying for
what
that.
do you want me to do?
Do you have the protection order yet, or
I need to do that.
you got?
I don't want to do it because I don't want him to go to jail.
Well, I mean that's the only way that
Like,
we
what's the
that
best
we
way
can.
that I could do it where he don't go to jail? Like, can I get him like
That's the only way that we
a
can.
restraining order where he can't be allowed around me for a certain amount of space?
That's what a protection order will do. A protection order will prevent him coming within
means
500.
I gotta give him the order personally?
You don't. No. You won't have anything to do with him. You speak to the judge. You go to the clerk of courts. You fill out the paperwork with them. You'll have a hearing with the judge. The judge will hear your side. The judge will either sign it saying, "Yep, this has been granted," based off of the past. So if you had that incident where he got arrested for that,
The first incident, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
You know me, my friend.
I got you.
The first incident, he whooped my ass.
So I mean, there's not much that we can do for that.
So when I got up, I whooped his ass bad.
But if
The
you,
next day, I brought him to the hospital and I walked home with a limp and left him the keys to his life. Left the car here. He went home in the car. I walked home with a limp because I had a up ass, bruised ass. Like, all of this shit was like black
so,
and blue.
but like what you got to do is you got to get that
I
paperwork
didn't want to
signed.
report him.
No, I got you, but it has been now. So, but now you want your protection, right? You want to be away from him. You don't want him to contact you. So, in order for us to be able to do anything regarding that, you have to get that paperwork. Otherwise,
But they're not going to lock him up if I do
no,
that.
it's not. He's not in any trouble.
He's
Now,
still
if
back there, though.
but listen, if he keeps
He's
continuing,
in somebody's property that he's not supposed to.
yeah, but if he keeps coming back after that, then he can get in trouble. But that's the only way to protect you from him. Because we can't do anything unless that paperwork is there and you have a copy. He's been served a
I
copy.
got a baby.
Otherwise, he can come back and he could do. It could be worse the next time around. You know what I'm saying? So
I
without
got
that,
paperwork.
okay. I know. Well, usually
I haven't done it because
I know. Well, you
I have a
guys,
heart.
yeah. But at the same time, you got to protect yourself, right?
Because
It's not me.
I'm the bad one.
That's not.
Oh, they see him, they like,
But that's
oh,
the
he's
thing.
so cute.
It goes.
he's so sweet.
It goes both
He's
ways.
an angel.
It goes both
But
ways.
when the door is closed behind your back, you don't know what the fuck is going on.
But listen to me. It goes both ways. So you can't contact him with that. You wouldn't be able to contact him, and he can't contact you. So you have to avoid him as much as he has to avoid you. You know what I'm saying? So if you, well, that I got you. But that's going to be your best, the only option that we could have to protect you from him in that situation. Otherwise, if you're still living there, he's still living there, there's nothing that we can do unless you have that protection order.
I'll see you in a different fucking light.
Mm-hmm.
I'll see you in a different fucking shit. You deserve this job.
It's a big upgrade, huge upgrade.
It's better than what you were doing.
Mm-hmm. I enjoy it a lot more too, so.
And you look sexier.
Oh, thank you.
Do you dance while you're sexy and you know it?
Do I dance to that? No, I don't dance to that. I'm not a dancer.
Oh, somebody who probably misses that.
What's that?
Oh, somebody who probably misses that.
I didn't catch that. Say it again.
I know somebody who probably misses that.
Somebody that misses that? I don't know.
Helen. Hey!
Who's Helen? I don't remember. Who was Helen?
Who?
Yeah, which one was Helen?
Who? Yeah. That one.
I don't remember. It's been like 4 years.
You don't know her?
It's been like 4 years.
Pretty ass bitch. You don't remember her?
No.
Guess what? You're doing way better than her. How about that?
I believe it. I mean, I don't know what she's doing now, but
I know what she's doing now. I ain't better than you.
No, great job.
Your name? Like, that's me. What's your name? Do you have Google Translate?
No, para la casa mía.
Okay. Here.
No, más bad, eh?
Switch off myself here for a second.
Okay, pero so tú no quieres hacer eso, hay que firmar.
Que llena a la señora que la lleven para su casa, no sé, para que no deje carajito.
Okay. Pues entonces hay que.
Vamos, tenis.
Hay que firmar un papel.
Yeah.
You want her to go to jail? Okay. And
Papá, tenis please. Tenis acá. Tenis cuchillo, tenis para allá, discriminación. ¿Sí o no?
I think he's trying to imply that it was not that be discrimination.
say that again?
I think he's trying to imply, like, he said knife and then discrimination, but that's literally
Well, I'm going to talk to you about that in a second.
Okay.
So,
And he believes the same thing, but he doesn't want to press charges.
All right, so disorderly conduct and license
Yeah.
establishment.
Una cuchillo discriminación aquí, porque tenis tú, tenis nada.
Trying to
tenis
find
nada.
freedom for him.
And Albert's
Tiene
going
tu
to
nombre?
fill out a witness statement.
Okay. And I asked him to do the same. But, like, not to press charges, so he doesn't want to press charges.
Yeah. Albert's going to fill out a statement. He came out. Her back was to him, so he came out the door and she was facing him. He was standing over by the white car and she was just threatening him. Saying that she's Puerto Rican and she's not going to take that. Had the knife out, open, out to her side like this. I was brandishing the knife. In which case he kind of de-escalated it, talked her down, asked her to put the knife away. She couldn't close it. She actually handed it to him, which I would have told her to throw it on the ground, but she handed him the knife and he closed it and the knife's in my car, so. And he doesn't know any reason why she's here
Yeah,
and drinking on property.
he said they were just sitting there and...
He said he's confirmed he's actually has a legitimate reason for being here.
Hold on, we'll see if he wants to press charges. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Did you find the Google Translate for him already? Because I pulled it up.
I'm trying, yeah.
Okay. And I got all his information too. I just told him to stand by so he could do fill out the form for not pressing charges.
Sí, mismo. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
we're good.
Okay. And
Okay, yeah. Yes. You know,
your address.
yeah.
So did he say yes, or we didn't get that far yet?
You need to ask him that because he didn't speak any English. He said yes.
Oh no, he said he doesn't want to.
Okay, yeah, he wants her to go to jail for ag assault.
Too easy. Okay.
But we need his address and his information.
Okay.
And then, so I'm trying to work on that now, but obviously
Okay.
the language barrier is a little hard.
Okay. All right. So yeah, with him, he couldn't confirm his address where he lives. He just says Stockholm, so I'm gonna ask him to pull it up on his phone to see if he can get that for me as a witness,
Hey,
and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Encontraste tu address, ¿dónde tú vives? Que se
No, él le dije la calle, pero yo no me sé el número. Recuerda que yo le dije la calle, Malone,
Sí, sí.
pero no me sé el número, porque son casas rodantes, son puras casas de rodantes.
Okay. ¿Y tú no tienes tu celular?
No, mi celular está dañado.
Oh,
Lo tengo
sí.
aquí, pero está dañado. No me funciona desde anoche.
Okay. Okay. All right. ¿Tú no tienes alguien aquí que sabe dónde tú vives? ¿Como un amigo? O...
No, porque vinimos solamente los dos.
Okay. ¿Y usted estaba junto?
No, yo llegué primero.
Okay. Pero tú no conoces a él.
¿A quién es él? Sí, yo lo conoce él.
¿Después de hoy?
No, él es el hermano del muchacho que está dentro. Yo soy el amigo del muchacho que está dentro, que llegó hospitalizado.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Que llegó por problemas.
Okay.
I thought she spoke Korean.
Gracias.
I promise you this.
Thank you.
You're cool as shit. Since I know you, I knew you was fucking real. You still got a little bag.
Just do what
You're
we
the
gotta do.
popo, and I love the popo. The popo live right next to me.
Yeah, no, we're here to help, so I mean,
Awesome.
thank you.
No, for real. On another level.
What you need? Huh?
Do you want to talk about that?
Just give us a second.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a question at all regarding it. I don't know what information you have over there. Are they claiming that? I mean, I know the witness here said, so I haven't spoken to her at all regarding that. I've known her since
So from
my
what?
past job.
So Clinton came by. He said that
Security guard.
yeah.
Security guard said that he walked out here. He saw her holding the knife, and the guys were just kind of like backing away.
right.
And the other dude, and I guess in the red, the Hispanic one, he was sitting over there. I guess by himself. He wasn't even around her. And it all happened over here.
Okay.
And she was just holding the knife, kind of like yelling at them aggressively. And the guy with the white shirt over there, he was just kind of like backing away.
Yeah. The Hispanic male, he told me that he was over here with the black male, and she was fine, like normal, calm, right? And she started drinking, and then after that, she had produced the knife, and his words, the Hispanic male's words was to intimidate, that's how he felt, saying that she was Puerto Rican, this and that, and then he got out of there and that the black male was still here. So so she just walked up to the security guard and just gave him the knife?
Yeah, well, the security guard kind of confronted her about it, and she said that she was defending herself, and he kind of like talked her down, asked her if he could close, if she could close it, And she said that she couldn't figure it out, and then that's when she kind of just handed him the knife so that he could close it, and then he held on to it.
Okay. All right. And he's going to do a witness statement?
I've got his information. I haven't asked him to do a witness statement yet.
Okay.
But, I mean, I don't know if you're probably going to want to Mirandize her and question her on it.
Yeah.
I'm going to try not to because, I mean, I got no relation with her, but she knows me from work, so I don't know what.
Yeah, I was thinking going down that route, just Mirandize her and ask her some direct questions.
Yeah.
When...
I mean, because that's what we got right now. We got aggravated assault with deadly weapon.
Did anybody grab her information?
Yeah, I believe Golovanov has it.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over there. Do you have a Marine card?
Yeah. And Jenny is
I'll let her know because she's overseeing me while
yeah.
handling.
While you're with her.
Yeah.
With her. Just watch the
Besides that, yeah, this who's going to be my witnesses. Who's going to be doing the witness statement?
Yeah, witness would be Albert here. He's a security guard. I've got his info already. That's right.
Thank you. Okay, I'll go and speak to her real quick, and then I'll go from there.
Yeah.
Do you have anybody here that speaks Haitian Creole? You do? Could you have them come out so we can maybe have them translate?
Tell me what you're saying.
Is it you?
Yes.
Okay. We need this gentleman's name, or I'm sorry, his address, date of birth, and phone number.
Mwen ka ba adres mwen mwen ba jeve li mwen kala nan tet. Mwen sa ve mdi, bon moun li mwen, mwen bon moun minute parce kon e fèm nan gen problem. So mwen fèt vini. Madame ni pa gen telefon, ki te telefon pa mwen.
He say he can give the address but he doesn't remember the number.
So he has the address but not the phone number?
So he say qui ça passe téléphone ou?
Fèm nan malade, ki te telefon nan madame ni kon e
Oh,
fèm
he
nan
say
tet.
his brother is sick. The phone is brother's wife. His phone is in the brother's wife. He left the phone. Kote fò la?
Fèm nan l'hôpital la. E sa fè nou une dame nan ale koutou.
He say his brother is in the hospital.
We're not trying to call him right now. This is for the future.
No, just for the
Ask him if
report.
he wants to press charges.
And
Because
have her go
then
to jail.
The state will be contacting him in the future about the aggravated assault that he wants her to go to jail for.
So, yo di ke state la ap kontakte ou nan telefon ou a cause de sak pase la. And sou ba gen numéro telefon nan ou pa ka kontakte ou.
Mwen gen telefon nan, men adres nan ba fèm fèm nan tet.
Ki numéro telefon nan?
Numéro telefon nan 305.
The phone number he has.
Okay.
Huh?
05.
Okay, and does he want to press charges? Where basically what that entails, if you can explain that the state attorney's office will contact him to come to court to testify against her for the knife incident.
So, li di ke state la avocat ap kontakte ou pou her against him.
Correct.
So, à cause de couteau à aller sur le comptoir. Donc, il a contacté pour ça. Donc, he will get a court date.
So she'll get a court date, but then they will contact him to tell his side of the story, most likely in front of the judge, to try to get a conviction if they find that she's convictable, if that makes sense. I'm trying to explain it so that it's easy to interpret to him so that he understands because of the language barrier.
So, à cause il a les couteaux sur so il a brûlé l'encote. Maintenant, il a contacté juste pour expliquer sa passe devant un juge. Comprends? So he said he doesn't have no problem because he doesn't have no problem with her. Only her pulled the knife
Right.
against her.
So does he want her to go to jail for that? And he'll have to go to court.
So est-ce qu'on voulait pour la en prison ou bien pour la dans tribunal? So he said he doesn't want
He
she
doesn't
go
want her
nowhere.
to, okay. He does not want her to go?
He doesn't want
Okay,
her
that's
to
fair
go
enough.
either to jail or court.
Okay, so what is his birthday?
Keep that de naissance.
I got all the information.
Yeah, we're still trying. Oh,
need-
him. Did you
yeah.
ID him? Yeah.
Yeah, I got
5 mai 1989. 89 ou bien 19.
Okay, and does he know his address?
Open adresse wow.
C'est adresse à m'a
He go with him.
Moi de Maloni.
He say he live
Dans ça
Maloney, 100 and
Is it? Oh,
6 Maloney.
does he have a unit number?
Richard Jine, Dieu va moto.
Gene Richard, he live in this house. A guy named Gene, thing like that.
Okay.
500 Maloney.
Yeah, is there a trailer number or a unit number?
So it's not trailer OV.
Yeah. Dans ça c'est ça.
100. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Paul, can I get your last name, please?
Right.
Okay, and the phone number here to the hospital?
For the hospital?
Yeah. If you don't know it, it's okay. I can look it up.
Oh, I guess it's right
Okay.
somewhere.
And what's your date of birth?
71.
Okay. Neither one of them want to press charges. Let's go over
Albert's
here.
going to fill out the witness statement.
For disorderly unlicensed. Okay, that sounds good to me.
Yep.
I'm going to have him get them to sign waivers, though.
Good luck.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to need him to sign a paper stating no jail, no court.
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell him that?
So, les dit, ouais, là-bas, on papier pour signer, que on dit, pour pas ni en prison, ni en court.
Non, pas un problème. Non.
Okay, okay.
Is your name Michael?
No, that was the tall
What's your name?
Scott.
Scott. I told him.
Michael was the tall one from customer
I
service.
don't remember names. I'm like, I call him Michael. I
Yeah.
know that's not his name.
You remember Michael though?
There is a Michael.
There was a Michael. Yeah. I don't know if he's
Michael
still.
got with Daniel from the girl from the pharmacy got with the guy from the bakery.
Yeah, that's the thing. With Publix, it's all.
They had babies, right?
I don't know.
Then she got with Michael that came to customer service. Now they're together.
Huh.
She let the bakery guy.
That's just like one big happy family there.
Well, fucking bullshit, man.
It's a little wild of a family, but it's
He knows everybody, fucking everybody.
small,
At this point,
small world.
I don't fuck nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't fuck nobody. You know what? I think I got a little toy. It's called a vibrator.
Yeah.
And she's fancy.
That's probably better, right?
Cleaner. You ain't gotta take a shower. You gotta sweat a lot. All this. For what? For what? I'm driving myself crazy here.
Yeah.
So what are you trying to figure out over there?
Well, one of those officers, he's going to come over here and he wants to talk.
Nobody was really about to die.
Well, one of the officers over there, he wants to come talk to you. But he's talking with,
But he's talking to him about what? Like somebody was going to kill him?
no, one of the officers, he wants to talk to you. But he's finishing up over there. They kind of handle it in sections. One person at a time, we just kind of...
It's basically called, they were talking shit. I'm a single female, and I'm about to kill you, get in my face. Point blank period. What the fuck? I didn't even think I even had one. I could carry it up every time I walk it out. It's like what? 1 o'clock in the morning? I'm a female. I'm little. Anybody can attack me. It's less than 2 inches. That's
Yeah.
the law, right?
I think it's 3.5, and they can't have anything larger than, they can't have a locking mechanism to lock it out. Huh?
3.75.
3.75. You just went over that, didn't you?
What's more?
It's like a baby knife.
Yeah.
Like, my goodness. I could pop your jugular with a fucking pencil. Is that a weapon? A pencil?
It could be.
Obviously, in my hands, I'm a nurse. I know what big little vein you got right there. I know what a jugular is.
Yeah.
I know when you check it, you know. Ain't gonna feel like you want a pencil goes through you.
No.
And right here, the esophagus. I know where the areas are. I'm a nurse. I studied this.
Yeah.
Know how to puncture your fucking lungs. You're worried about the worst thing scenario. I know what I can do.
Yeah. Our main thing,
I know
making
what
sure.
I won't do. What I won't do is hurt somebody that's not trying to hurt me. That's what
Gotcha.
I won't do. Not even an animal. A dog bites me, it's his territory. He's doing his job. I go inside of the water, the shark bites me, let me die. Let the shark live. Kill me. I'm dying. I'm bleeding to death.
Shark's not there to...
Kill the shark. No, don't kill the shark.
No.
Kill me. I should not be in the shark's territory. Now you're in my hood. Now you're invading my space. Now you're going to get stabbed in the jugular, or the esophagus, or in
The lung.
I know where the areas are. Don't fuck with the right bitch.
Yeah.
And I got less than a 2-inch neck, which is legal.
It is.
I know it's legal. Trust me, I know my laws. I studied law too. That's why I'm very educated. These motherfuckers around here, they're gonna deport me back to where? Puerto Rico? I wasn't born in Puerto Rico, but if I was, I can always come back here. The
Territory,
fuck?
right?
They're American.
Yep.
Second of all, and first of all, I was born in West Philadelphia. You might as well call me Rocky.
Ain't that where,
To this fucking day, I go up them steps like Rocky. Hey!
what's,
Who don't do the Rocky stairs? Have you ever
Fresh,
been to Philly?
where was Fresh Prince of Bel-Air from?
Huh?
Was he from West Philadelphia?
West Philly.
Prince of Bel-Air? Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? Was it West Philly? You've seen that show, right?
Dangerous.
No, you know what show I'm talking about? The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I'm trying to remember. I'm trying to remember.
Philadelphia.
It was West
born and
Philadelphia.
raised,
That's it.
the playgrounds, husband, mustard,
That's it.
Yeah, but I couldn't go to the playground. My daddy didn't let me go.
Yeah, well, I
It's
mean,
dangerous.
it was.
But then they moved it from West Philly to North Philly, which is called the Badlands. Google it. Google that shit tonight. The Badlands, north of the bus. The Badlands. That's where you died. Yeah, I'm from there too. I went from West Philly, the Black Hood, to North Philly, the Puerto Rican hood. Mind you, I'm Puerto Rican. My kids are mixed with black. There's a reason for that. My daddy told me they'll never date a black man.
Well, you've been down here for a little while, though.
10 years.
10 years?
Fuck these motherfuckers. They ain't got shit on me. I stunned on a bitch yesterday, and I can't even fight. I'm literally having a medical issue where I can't move my body correctly. But I promise you, everything went away when I saw this fat ass ugly bitch. That look. Have you seen Madagascar?
Yeah.
You got kids?
I've seen it. I don't need a kid to see it.
Madagascar. Okay, so you see
The hippo?
The hippo with the skirt? That bitch. That's my neighbor. I said, you Madagascar ass, hippopotamus looking ass bitch. And she walked away. You know, I'm thinking like, she could have just literally shoved me. I would have felt. That's how much in pain I am, because I have for the first time in my life, I have a UTI. 44 years old.
Painful.
What? Be thankful. 44 years old with a UTI. I thought my appendix was rupturing. It hurt. It didn't hurt that day. I came outside like, bitch, what?
All right, you can sit back.
Oh, of course. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to come up like that. We're still working, so.
Does he have a warrant?
It's not his name, it's similar.
Oh, that's why it's coming up. Keep going down. What's his name?
His name is Juan Sebastian Yele.
Torres?
I heard ER admissions was out here prior to. He was actually out here too, so you want me to call him too to give us a statement prior to the me coming?
You can bring him out here. I'll ask him what he had seen, but it looks like
Because he knows a lot.
neither of them want to press charges. So she's going to end up going to jail anyway for disorderly conduct. Yeah. So that's why I'm going to have you fill out the statement. So.
No. Oh, there isn't anything.
Okay, that's all you need.
Yep, definitely not him. Alright. I just need, when she's done with his information, we'll put it in, but I just can't 15 for disorder.
Get Albert and fill one out.
That's the,
You can use it on my hood too.
put it.
That's yours. Put it in your pocket. Put it in evidence. Look at it, put it in a report. Hi, Mike. How are you? You didn't see anything, did you?
Did I see what?
Did you see anything out here?
She just was like waving the knife and was like, he's doing something to me, and I was like, whoa, just stay right there.
What do you mean he's doing something? That's what she said?
And then he was like, you speak Spanish? And I was like, a little, and he's like, oh, I'm just here visiting. Patient.
Oh. Okay. We don't know why she's here.
I don't know, she said she was visiting someone.
Yeah, I was trying to
find
it out, but the officer kind of.
Okay.
Because he knows.
There was another guy too. Oh,
He's still here. I'm still talking to him.
Yeah, they were both pretty hammered.
Say we deal with that later. Because I was going to have a call with a friend who she's here with. So a friend is supposed to be visiting a patient here.
And I think it's the guy with the respiratory trauma.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I saw a lady in there.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
that's his shit too.
Yeah, a white lady. Yeah. Okay.
A guy with a respiratory trauma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trauma 8.
It's like dying.
Yeah, I think he's going up the road. It's either going to fly out or go ambulance. That's for something.
How's your neck been?
It's been like this.
Now with this here, because I haven't got it changed yet, I'm going to put a different address than
That's fine.
what's on here.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. She hasn't seen.
What was it drinking?
I don't know what that is. I ain't smelling it. It looks like urine. Yep.
My work address or
No, I know where you work. See you later.
Now, one thing I can say prior to me coming out to this incident, when
The
I
comment.
first saw them hanging out here, I had the impression that her and the Hispanic guy was together, just before all this transpired. And then I didn't see the black guy till later.
Yeah, she said she had a nice,
But it seemed
fine,
like those two were a couple.
fine
The Hispanic guy
conversation with
first.
him. Where he's
They were
getting
together.
along very well with her. They exchanged numbers and everything.
Question for you.
Yeah.
Has your training gone hands-on cuffing her yet? Just that sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know if
Sure.
you wanted me to cuff her
He can cover. That's
just
fine.
for training.
Yeah.
And,
Your friend come back and get you.
We're busy.
She came up here to.
She said, did my friend come back and get me? She's talking about my ex. I know her for a long time. He knows me.
Yeah.
He knows my ex.
Okay. It's gonna. My husband's not
still
gonna
in
make it.
there?
Are you Melissa?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, the security guard was trying to figure out who you were.
Should I go home with Lisa or should I stay?
It's gonna be a long night for me. I don't know. They're talking about flying in
You want me
Miami.
to stay with you?
No, they're talking about flying in Miami. So I can let you know.
So I just walk home.
Are you sure?
I can walk.
Because I'm right now calling all family.
Do what you gotta do. Mama, take a seat. Relax. Take a breather. If you go in there,
Thank you
come
for
here.
doing that to check on me.
Listen, I'm there for you
Jim's
no
not
matter
gonna
what.
make it, okay?
Huh?
Jim's not gonna make it.
He's not?
Miss Melissa, do you mind if I ask what your last name is? What is it?
Wait,
Yeah, this is security guard wanted to know, so.
she came up here because they were bagging him in the ambulance.
Uh-huh.
She just came up to check on me.
I got you. Yeah, no, I was talking to her.
Okay. All right.
so for training, she's going to go for disorderly conduct in a licensed public establishment because they don't want to arrest based on ag assault, okay? So for training, I'm going to tell Jesus, or Jesus I should say, I'm going to have you cuff her, but I'm going to have you cuff her with his handcuffs.
Sure.
Okay?
Hey, you have done it once, the last word does say witness signature and then witness printed. And then you did it up here, that guy.
Yeah, so,
So that backwards? Move backwards?
yeah, so he needs to sign here and then the other witness sign here. So just have him sign here and then another witness can sign right here.
Oh, okay, another witness being.
Yeah,
next.
so he just needs to sign the top line.
Okay.
Okay?
So he signed it twice though, basically. Is what I'm saying. He signed.
Right, because he signed in the wrong spot. So just have him sign the top line.
Okay.
And then you witnessed it, so just sign here.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
Same with that. All right.
Yeah. And hey, so you've been arrested before, right?
Oh yeah, I'll do it.
So
I'll walk.
he's newer in training, so I'm gonna have him cover.
Okay.
It's gonna be ours, but I'm gonna have him cover so that he can get more hands-on experience because I know you have a little bit more of that than him.
Okay.
But I want him to do it with your cuffs.
Okay.
And if you can give me your cuff key, because mine, I don't know where.
So when you go to handcuff her, don't tell her to put your hand back. Just tell her to stand up and just cuff her.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Because those are fighting words. blocking some people.
Yeah.
So just do it. You can even do it while she's seating. Actually, yeah.
But then you
Well,
kind
I'll
of
be over there to help you, but I want you to do the hands-on. Okay.
All right. Wait till I finish with this. I'm almost done, and then
Sure, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take him over there and just.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, you finish that. I'll take him over there. We'll get her squared away, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. All right.
All right, we're good.
Yeah, no, he still got to stay here. Yeah, the officer over there, like I said, he still needs to talk to you. Huh? Well, it's his call. Yeah, no, it's his call, so he's just got to piece all this together and then figure out what.
That's my friend. Her husband is dying.
I know.
I came here to support her. I have no business being here. I could have been at home.
Yeah, I got you.
My own stomach ache. But because I'm a good friend, I can't.
Hey, just give us a sec. Is he still gonna have it?
We're on 10:15 for disorderly license.
Stand up for me.
Wait,
Don't fight. Don't fight.
resist.
Wait, why?
No, just give me your hand, right?
Wait, can you please?
Just relax, man, alright?
Wait, okay. I'm relaxing.
It's over.
I'm relaxing. I'm just saying you took me off guard.
Okay, that's
I'm
what
arrested.
Stand up.
Wait. Can you
All right,
please
if
explain to me
I
why
just
I'm
told
being
you
arrested?
disorderly conduct in a licensed public
What's
establishment.
disorderly conduct?
Okay, you can't wave knives at people on a licensed public establishment. Okay. See,
But
here's the
there were
thing.
two men against me.
Okay, but that's not what I'm being
That's
told
when I
from
pulled
different
it out. But I put
witnesses.
it away.
So what you're going to need to do is stand up. And if you don't stand up, you'll be hit with another charge of resisting.
Okay, I don't want to resist.
Okay, so stand up.
Wait, stand up, alright?
But this is under.
Let me just check your cuffs, man.
It was two men against one woman.
Okay, but that's actually
right?
not why.
Is that okay?
So
Why are you trying to tighter?
he's double locking them so that they don't go
All right.
tighter on you when you're sitting down.
Let's go, man.
So come on.
Wait, they're burning. That hurt.
0065, 0065.
Y'all did all this investigation to arrest me?
Yes.
Arrest me for disorderly conduct? Because there were two men that were in front of my face threatening me. And
Right, but technically that would be aggravated assault.
wait, hold up. My hair's in my face. Can you please take the hair out my face? Please, thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Okay, come on over here.
Hey, can we
Do
just
you
all
have-
speak
no,
in
no, you're
proper
gonna
fashion?
Turn around,
No,
man.
you're gonna stand here and you're gonna spread your feet. Do you have anything on you?
I don't even have
Stick
panties
me or
on,
poke
man.
me?
I don't have any panties
Okay.
on.
Shine this light on her. I'll search her since she's a female. Come right over here. I got her. You
Wait, do I get out of jail tomorrow?
You'll have to see the judge.
And I'm going to jail because of.
Disorderly conduct on a licensed public establishment.
But they were the. I can't protect myself.
Okay,
It
so
was under a 2-inch knife.
okay, I'm explaining to you why you're going to jail. Okay, your charges could be a lot worse. Okay, they could be felony level.
Can I turn around and speak to you personally?
No, because I'm not your arresting officer. Actually, it's Officer Rojas. He's over there.
Nobody
I'm just
read me
getting
my
you-
Miranda rights.
Okay, well you weren't detained at that point. Like we weren't.
But I'm detained right now.
You're under arrest right now. I'm not asking you questions pertaining to the crime.
But I'm saying I don't have any Miranda rights.
I'm only required to read you Miranda when you're in custody, and I'm
I'm
asking
in custody
you
right
questions.
now, ain't
But
I?
I'm not asking you questions.
But am I in custody?
Yes, but I'm not asking you questions.
But
so turn
shouldn't
forward.
I-
I'm not going to argue with you about this. So you're going to turn forward,
Yeah.
okay? And I'm going to finish searching you, and you're going to get back into the car.
Okay.
Or get into the car.
Because you're being
Okay.
aggressive.
I'm not being aggressive.
I'm
what
not
I'm telling
being
you.
aggressive to you.
What what I'm telling you is I'm just not going to argue with you about this. I've been doing this for 12 years. I know the laws and how they work. Maybe you should properly educate yourself on when Miranda is required, okay? So do you have anything in your bra?
I have nothing. You can check me. I'm being detained because I was protecting myself against two men.
You're arrested.
Against two men. Against two men. They were coming at me strongly. So they have the right of way. This is why women get killed and men stay alive. This is why women get killed and men stay alive. Because you try to protect yourself. I had nothing but less than
Go ahead and get in the car.
I want to know exactly why I'm being arrested.
Would you like another charge of resisting?
I'm not resisting.
You are resisting.
Am I
You're not
resisting?
getting in the car.
Well, I'll get in the car. I just want to ask some questions. I want answers.
I
That's
gave
all.
you those answers.
I'm asking you. I'm being restrained because I was defending myself against two men.
Sit back.
I'm only here because my friend's husband. I'm not resisting, man. You're being aggressive.
I'm not being aggressive.
She's actually being very polite.
I'm being straightforward. There's a difference between being aggressive and being straightforward,
Okay,
okay?
what's
No
your name?
nonsense.
What's your name?
My last name is Young. Yes. You can speak to me personally all you want. Woman to woman, you can speak to me personally all you want. But
I worked with her in Publix for like a year and a half.
The one there?
Yeah, her husband. Her husband worked at Publix too. She don't work there anymore. I think she's on some.
She's obviously
31.
drunk.
Yeah, but I think she's been using too because she used to be heavier.
And she's stuck in this vape pen over there on weed or whatnot.
I think it's just the nicotine thing. Yeah, it's just nicotine. And then that was whatever she was drinking.
Cloudy crap.
You're good. Set it down. I got it. Good.
I'm not being aggressive. What I'm telling you is I'm not going to argue with you about this. I've been doing this for 12 years. I know the laws and how they work. Maybe you should properly educate yourself on when Miranda is required, okay? So do you have anything in your bra?
That's all she had?
I haven't gone through it.
Okay.
She's got her prescription medication there. But yeah, you definitely want to go through that.
I have the knife, by the way.
You got it?
Yeah.
So this wallet was clear.
Hey, go in the front and just turn on that light right at the spotlight. Or you don't have to sit here and hold
Yeah,
it.
that works.
Yeah.
I wonder if he needed to know the.
There we go.
He was asking who the lady's name was earlier that she was here to see. They already got it? He said you already figured out the person that she was here visiting.
What's that lady that came out?
Yeah,
I think
the last name was Di.
I think her first name
D-Y-E.
Melissa.
Melissa Di, yeah.
Yep. Cause I think I remember she does Uber, DoorDash. That's why I remember her name.
Oh, okay.
I remember recognizing her face.
Yeah, and I guess her husband just came in here.
Yeah.
Like,
I don't think he's doing much.
no, she was talking to just
Yeah,
now that
he
you probably
might be
sending him out to
going
Miami.
No, thank you.
Yeah, brother.
All right.
U94. Xanax.
That's the only one I found too.
That's not Xanax. I didn't look up that one yet, but if you already got it pulled up, I'll get you a little baggie if you want one.
Yeah.
I got one little. That don't have to go to FTLE, right? Or does it?
It will.
We have Xanax from what we could read real quick, but we have
So, well, you can identify it by that.
so that's good enough.
I'm looking for it.
All right.
So I'm gonna go off to discuss the case.
Everyone. I already searched her belongings.
Well,
Anything
I'm
else?
gonna stay on. You guys can go somewhere else. I got a camera on.
Oh,
Okay.
We'll put it in a little bag so you don't.
US 94. Like,
That says a C.
is it a C? That's what I'm like. Ciprofloxacin, hydrochloride. Treatment of bacterial infection. It's antibiotics.
Okay, so it's not a. Yeah, no, that's
You're good. It's antibiotics.
Yeah, she's just. We're going offline now.
All right. Yeah. I'm fine.